Cool. Awesome. So we've got our debug window over here that lets us know things are working as expected. We've got our Azure Spatial Anchorable table right now. Right now it's not anchored, but we can anchor this in real-world space, put that to the cloud, and then close our application, reopen it, and anchor it back to the same space. I'm not going to go through all that because that takes time, and I already showed that in another video that will be in my presentation. So we're just going to do a quick, it's like, hey, look, you can put the thing together and do all this cool stuff with it. Ooh, it's cool. You can explode it out. Oh, yes, I guess I can use my hand too. Yes, physical touch is looking nice. Okay, cool. Anyways, that's not what I'm here for. I'm here for the Azure Spatial Anchors. So let's move this. So we've got start Azure session. So we'll go ahead and start the session real quick. As long as we're connected to Wi-Fi, this should work. Alright, Azure session started successfully, so we're now connected to Wi-Fi and on the network. Alright, and then we're going to create an Azure anchor of this table. Creating a local anchor. It also reads out here what we're doing too, instead of just on the debug window. It does both. But yeah, and then we're going to save anchor ID to disk. Okay, local save to disk. Now we're going to share anchor ID to the network. Current Azure anchor ID shared successfully. Alright, cool. Now we're going to, what do we want to do? Let's remove our local anchor. Local anchor deleted successfully. Okay, and then let's get anchor ID from the network. Alright, yeah, current Azure Anchor ID successfully updated with shared Azure Anchor ID URL. Cool. So we are good. We just deleted this, created this anchor, sent it to the cloud, deleted that anchor locally, and then pulled the anchor from the cloud and put it back in the same spot so that we know we can anchor this from our cloud. But yeah, and that's kind of all there is to it. I mean, there's a little more. You can do like find Azure anchor, like we can find an anchor, we can delete Azure anchors, we can remove local anchors, stop the Azure session, all that fun stuff. But yeah, that's kind of all I really want to show there is just that more advanced anchoring panel. The other one just has save and load as opposed to all these options. This goes pretty in depth. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it.